What's up? It's your girl Barbie, Everything Pretty, and today we're going to be cooking so many fun things. I love seafood. We're going to be making some jerk wings. I'm also going to be making some seafood with, of course, some soup on the side. It's going to be amazing. Some of the seasonings I like to use, I like to mix things. I love things from everywhere. So, of course, we're going to have things from the islands. We're going to have things from New Orleans. And, of course, us thick girls, we can't do too much of the rice or the, the potato, the dumplings, so we're gonna do some low carbs, vegetables. Let's have fun. Everything Pretty, cooking with Barbie.
Barbie.
Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Girl, you pushed me like a big boy till I cuffed you like you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it. Things are getting sticky, girl, I think that I'm stuck. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me. Yeah. Never gonna not hit by your loving is just to me. And every time you hit my phone, you say you need company. I'm a runner, boy.
Now, I love to have different types of seasonings, so check out my seasoning right here. You see it? Of course, I love Obey. Of course, curry. I heard about this slap your mama thing right here, so I guess we're gonna be slapping somebody, mama. We have some garlic salt, of course, jerk chicken.
I'ma run up on you. 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 I'ma run up on you.
Blowing trees like Shabba, some like Shabba, bounce to the beat like Shabba, some like Shabba, tango rings like Shabba, some like Shabba, she got me rolling through like Shabba, some like Shabba, riding a Benz like Shabba, some like Shabba, she got me blowing trees like Shabba, some like Shabba, control fuck up and beat like Shabba, some like Shabba, bounce to the beat like Shabba, some like Shabba.